Hi friends, welcome to Tablet Tutor channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to write a calculation to get hour and minutes difference from two date fields. So this calculation is really helpful if you are working in a data related to some tickets. Okay, so here we have a data source that is having ID, job name, end time, and start time. So in Tableau, you can easily get the difference in hours, days, minutes. But if you want to get the hours and minutes difference, the calculation is not straightforward. So let me show you the calculation. First, let me load this data into Tableau. Okay, I have loaded this data source into Tableau already. So drag ID, job name, start time, and end time to the view, to the rows. Right click, choose exact date, convert it to discrete. Do the same thing for end time, exact date, convert it to discrete. Okay, so I'm going to write a calculation first that gives us the hour difference. So date div, I'm going to provide date part as hour, comma, start time. So date diff function returns the difference between two date fields based on the date part. At this place, date part, you can provide date part as minutes, days, and more. Okay, if you provide hour as date part, you get the difference in hours. Click OK and drag this calculation to the rows. Discrete. See the output. So we got the output in hours, but it's actually not 7 hours but 6 hours and some minutes. This is not 1 hour, it's something around 35 minutes, something, or 45 minutes. Okay, so let me find the difference in minutes. Okay, name the calculation as minutes. So provide date part as minute, then click OK, right click, convert it to discrete. Okay, these are minutes. So if you convert this minutes to hour, you need to divide it by 60. Click OK. So if you see here, so it's giving hour as 7, but actually it is 6 hours and some minutes. Okay, so that's why we need to subtract this output with -1. Click OK. So now we got the hours correct. Okay, next we need to write a calculation to get minutes. Okay, let me name the calculation as hour and minute, but I'm going to write the calculation first to get the minute. Okay, so date div hour comma start time, end time, end time -1. This one gives you the actual hours. So into 60. Click OK. Let me drag this calculation and show you the output. Click and discrete. Okay, here 6 hours into 60, 360. So now if you divide this number, if you subtract this number from the actual minutes, you will get the correct minutes difference. Edit. So to this calculation, you need to subtract from actual minute difference from start date and end date. Minute comma start time, end time. Okay, so let me explain it to you again. This part gives you the output of this total minutes. For 6 hours you are getting 360. This part will give you the total difference in minutes between start time and end time. Let me click apply. See, if you see here, we have 14 minutes difference, 45 minutes difference. Let me check the output. So here it is 9:15 a.m. and 12. So if you consider only minutes, 12 to 00, it's 45 minutes, and here 5 minutes, 55 and 12. So the minutes where we have calculation is correct. Next, so I will convert this one into string so that I can append with hours. So to convert it to string, just append str function. Okay, so in the previous calculation we got the hours, so this calculation will return the number of hours. Okay, let me convert this one to string function again, str. Plus okay, now we have converted this calculation to a dimension. Drag this calculation and see the output. See, if you see here, we have 46 minutes difference. So the start time and end time is the same day, and the time is 11:14 a.m. to 12 p.m. So the difference is around 46 minutes. So this is how we can find the difference from two dates to get the hour and minutes. I hope this calculation is really helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.